In this video, we'd like to focus on the trend indicator on the EPSMomentum platform. So the trend indicator can be found on the chart, the main chart, in the timing momentum signal. So if I zoom in on the trend, on the timing momentum here in the trend indicator, this is the first band that you have here on the top. So it could take several values. One is positive trend, the other one in green, and the other one in red, a negative trend, and in yellow, consolidating. So it is really when the market oscillates, like we can see here, for example, for a few days before it resumes trending. So what is it exactly, and how do we calculate this? So it is somewhat a derivative of Keltner bands. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with these, but you go into indicators, studies, and then you pull up the Keltner bands. So what we do is we take a moving average, a short moving average, which could be the band in the line in the middle here, and then we calculate the average range of the stock, again on a short time frame, and then if the stock is going outside of the bands, outside of that region here, it would mark a red downtrend, and then it would, and then if it goes back inside, it would go into a consolidate mode. So very quickly we can see consolidating here, maybe still a little bit of consolidation, and here starting to be positive. All the way here, some consolidation here. Again, it is not a Keltner band that we have that is doing the trend indicator. It is close to it, and the parameters are different. There's some smoothing that takes place, so it's very similar to a Keltner band, but it's not exactly that. But yeah, I mean, so what does that give us? Well, quickly I can just click on the name, run it on the chart, and then I can see the trend and how the trend is doing. I can see whether it's oscillating or trending. Here it looks like it's kind of going nowhere, oscillating, consolidating, a little bit of a trend here, a little bit of green, very strong green here all the way to here, where it starts to oscillate for quite a while, and then it starts going down, right? So it's a very good way to pinpoint positive trend, downtrend, or consolidating. So on the advanced quote, you have it summarized here as consolidating. So if I go to the screener, I have the ability to look up for it, and I just type the word trend. And here I have two things. I have the trend indicator, which is up or down, or consolidating, or negative. I mean, up or negative, or down. You can actually filter and find the negative values. You can click on trend here and choose the options. Let's say I only want the downtrend, and now I only have stocks that are in downtrend, and I can click on one. Let's say Expensify, for example, and here it is in a downtrend. So quickly I can see which stock is in what trend in an easy fashion. The second thing is the number of days since it's been in that up or downtrend. So let's go back and filter for uptrends, and then I can see the number of days. So for example here, I'll click on Amazon, and Amazon has been in uptrend for 5 days now, right? 5 days. I can see 21 days, I can see 1 days. So I can filter and say how many days has it been up for. So if I want, at least 5 days, it's going to filter the list to all the stocks that are at least 5 days in an uptrend. So if you're looking for confirmation, maybe 5 days or 3 days, and you would pick that, and you have 5 days. So clearly the uptrend started here. It's been in an uptrend, although it looks like it's somewhat consolidating here. But let's pick another one, GTX. Right, so it's been in an uptrend for 11 days, which is what we have. So it's very powerful to screen for stocks that are clearly trending or not, and yeah, quick filter to just hone in on what's important, and you don't have to use 25 moving averages, crosses, and everything. This is just very, very, very quick, saving you time and identifying the trading stocks.